In this question, the object moves from rest, so the initial speed, which is zero, and uniform acceleration, which is constant acceleration. And according to the graph, the acceleration here, which is constant value, and in the graph there is a straight line parallel to the time axis. So the acceleration is constant, or there is a uniform acceleration. The examiner give us the area under the graph here, which is xx equal here acceleration times time. Acceleration here, which is the value of the velocity. And definitely once we have a constant or uniform acceleration, so there is a change in velocity per time with constantly. The examiner is asking to draw the relation or how much is the distance covered by the object. Okay, here we have to draw the graph for time taken on the x-axis and the velocity on the x-axis here, on the y-axis, sorry. So velocity meter second minus y. So the accelerator, he said the x is the velocity, so we need to see the relation between velocity and the time. So it must be like a straight line and passes through the origin, because it is the gradient here is going to be the acceleration, and which is already shown on the first graph. So the maximum value of the acceleration was x. So here this is the value of x of the speed, and the time taken on the x-axis here. If I'm going to shade the area under the graph or the area of the triangle, so the area here, which is half times the base times height, so half times the value of the base, which is t, and the height, which is x. So the area under the graph here, which is the distance, which is half xt or xt divided by 2. And have a quick look at the choices. So the correct answer for this question, which is D. See you next video. If you have any difficulties in physics, leave a comment, and all the best.